Is there an unfinished object hiding out in your craft room, sewing room, or work room? If so, Shara C and I invite you to join in our Unfinished Object Challenge. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, we are tackling the chaos that comes along with unfinished objects, or UFOs, and the space that they take up in your workroom, and how guilty you can feel about not getting it done. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. Or if you want to learn about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so now let's take a look at the details of the challenge. Shara C and I surveyed our craft room, and we were both surprised by how many unfinished objects, or UFOs, we found. Speaking for myself, I've got quite a few quilts to finish. This one needs binding. This one needs binding. This one needs sandwiching and binding. And I've got plenty of them up there that need work. This scrapbook needs finishing. And if I search through this craft closet, I can find plenty more projects to choose from. So we decided that this would be a good time to host this challenge, inviting all of you to join us in finding a project you've already started and getting it finished up. Now, I've got the rules right here in front of me, and I wanted to make sure that I get everything in, so I'll be checking them out from time to time. Number 1, you must work on a project that you've already started. I'm sure there's something in your craft closet, your workroom, your wood shop that you need to get back to. So pull it out and let's get her done. Rule number 2. We'd like for you to have a video ready to upload showing your finished project or progress on your finished project by Friday, August 31st. We're giving you a few weeks to get to work on it, so hopefully that's enough time for you to get it done. Number 3, the upload date, as I've said, is Friday, August 31st at 6 a.m. So please don't post your video prior to 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 31st. We'll create a playlist so that you can populate the playlist with your video yourself, but if you have trouble, contact Shara or myself and we'll help you out with that. Rule number 4, please put a link back to both of our channels and the playlist in your description. This way people can find both of our channels as well as check out the videos that all the other creators have done. And help your friends out. Share the word about our Unfinished Object Challenge, because it might just prove to be the motivation or the inspiration that they need to finish a project. And number 5, be sure to use the title Unfinished Object Challenge Open Invite. And we're really looking forward to having you join us. If you're not familiar with Shara's channel, I'll link her below. She has an amazing channel. She does so many fun and interesting things over there. She does planning, and what I like most about her planning is that it's simple but functional. She does hauls, she does cooking, she does cleaning, she does DIY, and I so admire people who can do DIY. She just really has a lot of fun over there, and I think you will enjoy what she does as much as I do. So please check her out. So please, join us in this challenge. It doesn't matter what kind of a project you decide to finish up. Everybody's got some kind of unfinished object in their home. If you're a quilter, a sewer, a crafter, a DIYer, a landscape person, or a woodworker, everyone's got something that they would like to finish up. So choose a project and let's get her done. What am I going to work on? Well, I am going to finish this quilt that I started for my grandson. It's a t-shirt quilt, a memory quilt, and I started it when he was 5. He's now 13. And all it needs is the binding. So here's the front, here's the back, but as you can see, there's no binding. So all I need to do is just this little strip here that you see around the edge. That's all I need to do. And I'm sure he would like to have it. He sleeps under this unfinished quilt every time he comes here to visit. And I think once he said, it looks finished to me, well, it doesn't have the binding. So I'm going to get it done and ship it on out to him so he can sleep under this quilt at his own home. Okay, so before I go, I want to invite you one more time to join us in this unfinished object or UFO challenge. We're looking forward to seeing what you got. And if you're not a member of the TNT community, subscribe. We have a lot of fun over here, and I think you will enjoy what we do. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in another video.